What is up? Welcome and welcome back. So it's your Jamaican friend here again once more. So on tonight's episode we'll be reacting to Ankudinova, Baikal, OST Spirit of Baikal. So guys, I don't know what to expect from this song, but I know Dana will deliver something good. So guys, without further ado, take a walk with me. I'll be right back. Peace. Wow, I'm already impressed, and she's always impressive with everything she wrote. It's always impressive. It is just always the point where we are listening, and the more we listen, the deeper it gets, and the more we are sucked into her voice, because her voice is really amazing.
Нас вместе ведет твоя боль. Когда потерял ты эту силу идти от города в душе заледенела, я помогу тебе, открой все пути, тогда, когда найдешь себе любовь.
Guys, the last time I did a reaction pertaining to Diana's song that she have written, bro, you people roasted me because everyone is saying that I've done the reaction wrongfully, but hopefully I get this one correctly, right? Because she's a very awesome songwriter, she's a very amazing singer, and I like the fact that she comes out and she's giving us her side. And what I do respect about Diana is that she always filled with a lot of love, and she always can teach us how to love someone, right? So I admire that about her a lot, and I would like to hear more from her, because she's taking a little bit too long to give us some good music, and the music are very amazing. Like, it is just so factual. It is not a myth, but it's always factual. Let's continue.
Темных чувств шоры будут кружить, горе твои горе не пройти, не прожить. Буря твоей потери, вой черной дырой, мы в ней исчезаем вместе с тобой.
Guys, I can speak of experience when I'm reading the words of this song, right? I've been through the same thing, and this music is hitting to the core because she is delivering amazingly. I love it. I really do love it. Guys, this is amazing, guys. Like, holy bloody hell, bro. Hey, Diana. To be honest, I'm so astonished by this song. You are killing it. Let's continue.
Я тебя так искала, искал Байкал, Фредеров искал Байкал. Твой жизни ты волчий оскал, Байкал, ты внутри и снаружи меня, Байкал.
Guys, to be honest, I really do like this. To be honest, I was going to do a reaction towards it, guys, but unfortunately, a lot of things that dropped by in that position where I couldn't do a reaction about it. But I finally get to do a reaction and I was impressed. I mean, like, she always delivers something amazing and she never fails, guys. Like, she never ever failed. And the underground water thing, guys, it is unique. I love it. I love it so much, bro. I love it. And then keep on giving us quality music because you are really changing a lot of lives out here, and my life has been changed because your music changes my life. And I want to say thank you so much. Excellent music, excellent song choice, wonderful video film. It is always amazing to see you like this, guys. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time around. Peace.